Electronic Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of MFI certified cable, Apple Lightning cable, USB Type-C cable, micro cable, wall charger, car charger, power bank, etc. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We always control our quality according iOS standard. Now, we have many high-precision production equipment, perfect management system, and all materials of products are used by RoHS standard. We have obtained CE, RoHS, EMC certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Eurasia and the Americas. We have built good relationship with many famous brands over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We provide sellers with on-stop service for cross-border e-commerce shop opening and operation, which can effectively enhance the brand competitiveness of sellers. Welcome to visit us, and you will get qualified products with reasonable prices and best services.